We're playing okay. You know, we haven't played poorly yet, and our offense is doing a good job putting some runs up early for us, and so that's been a big key for us. Sure, yeah, I think so. You know, anytime you are winning games in the postseason, I'd say that's peaking. But you know, there's still some room for improvement for sure. Hoover pitched us very well today. It was very tough. Play better. We've got to play better. I mean, you know, Hoover is as good as those other two, and we struggled to come out of the second one. So we just got to think we got to keep getting better and better every week.